Welcome to another More Skids video. This one is occurring directly after the last video. So we're pumping out the videos. We're doing our best to make the content and get the channel flowing. But another thing that gets the channel flowing is sponsorship. So huge shout out to Max Peating Rods again, because the coilovers that were on the car were Max Peating rods to begin with. They sent me coilovers like a year ago, 2 years ago. My girlfriend helped me install them. The only thing I ever did on them was push the car around. But now they're gonna go to Jeff's car. We'll do a little video installing them on Jeff's car at some point. See what that thing looks like when it's slammed on its nuts. Max Peating Rods came out with a new and improved coilover that they sent me to put on this car to replace their old coilover. So super grateful for that. It hooks me up and hooks Jeff up, so it's a win-win, and we're gonna get these things on today. They got a new colorway, blue and like gray and black, that looks pretty sick in my opinion. So we're gonna get these things on. I can't do a review of how they feel, obviously, because there's no motor in the car, but that'll come at a later date. So I'm excited to interrupt this video to give a shout out to the sponsor of this video, which is something I've never said before in a More Skids video, and I'm actually very excited about it. So the sponsor of this video is Surfshark. They're a VPN, and I don't know about you guys, but I actually use a VPN almost daily to watch sports. I have to deal with blackout areas in my region, so I use a VPN and I'm able to put myself wherever I want on the planet. So there's a lot of real world applications for a VPN. Keeps your browsing safe and secure, and I would honestly suggest using one whenever you can. So purchasing a 24-month deal on Surfshark would be the best bang for your buck at the moment. Just scan the QR code that's on the screen right now, or hit the link in my description and use my promo code. Okay, so coilovers are super easy to install and uninstall. There's only 2 bolts that connect to the knuckle. Yeah, so you just pop these out, just like that. The whole knuckle assembly will pop out, and then all you have to do, undo these 3 nuts at the top. Okay, so we pop these out. We're on a bit of a time crunch right now because I gotta make it to the pool tournament, so speed run, coilover edition. And that's why I'm not using an impact.
Bro, I was just thinking, man versus machine.
Just like that.
Hell yeah.
Pops out, and this is Jeff's. Nice. Nuts back in. You might be wondering why this is cut out, because I ran like some crazy prototype angle kit shit that required that. But we're going back to the basics. And then we just grab our bolts. Okay, we had a bit of a bolt conundrum. For now, we figured it out.
That actually fits pretty nice.
Just like that, your coilover's installed.
5 bolts, 2 bolts, 5 nuts.
All right, so we'll tighten these down and then we'll get on to the other side. Boom! 1 coilover installed. And my knees are fucked.
Put that in the video.
Okay, we got both the front coilovers in. There's that one, the driver's side, and the passenger side. Looking good. Well, a storm's rolling in. It's getting really windy. We're finishing up the fronts, putting the wheels back on. Then we gotta do the rears, but it's like really fucking windy. Anyways, the rear coilovers are actually even more simple than the front. All it is 2 bolts, 2 nuts right there, and then 1 through bolt down here. Or there's the stud that it goes onto. Peter's in, and the wind is up, and my back is broke. Well, the thunder's back, and the rain is back, and the wind is back. But we're almost through working on the car. We've got 1 more coilover to go back in, and then we'll be through with this. But it's been a very productive day, so that's good.
It's gonna be so bizarre because like between these 2 videos, it's the same fucking day. It's like sunny and stormy and it's fucking insane, dude.
Alright, that's gonna do it for this video. Huge shout out to Max Peating Rods, because without them, I would have the old Max Peating Rods on the car. And now I got some freshies. Jeff's got some old ones, but I mean, I never drove on them, like I said. It got really wet and really windy, so I apologize if this video is short. We really tried to rush through this because the weather is pretty gnarly right now. But the car is coming along. We're making really good progress. The rest of the week's supposed to be really nice, so we always got stuff we can do. Huge shout out to Jeff again. Thank you for letting me use your driveway and come over whenever. Another thank you to Max Feeding Rods. Check out the link in the bio. I'll have a link to their website or the description. I'll have a link to their website in the description of this video if you want to go check them out. They're very affordable coilovers. Jeff's buddy pulled up in his S13 SR and it has Max Feeding Rods on it. I asked him how he thought of them because I personally have never drove on them. He said they were pretty good, so I look forward to being able to test these, and Jeff's going to do the same, and we'll do a little comparison on the two different kinds of coilover. Also check out the link in the description for merchandise, and if you want to cop any of our new stickers, then that would be very helpful to the progress of this car. So thank you guys again for watching. Thanks for tuning in and always supporting. So that'll do it for this video, and we'll see you in the next one.